free. Click the notification bell to make sure that you are aware of all of this lit ass content that I'm bringing to you. All of it. Oh, and I still am the hardest working man in fucking show business.
Okay, y'all saw I'm not cheating. I got my eyes closed. Okay.
Hey, Mommy, can I try?
All right, we got Miss Driana Cook. Yes, ma'am. You want to take a ticket? You want to take it for the hotel room?
Yeah, I keep this, put this in my pocket. Okay, so we got the merch and we got the three.
All right, now we're gonna do the $10 raffle for the what is it? Free tent.
Yep.
On your car
Or your spouse.
or your spouse, whoever.
Here you go. I can't see you and hold the camera.
And please don't be number 6.
It might be number 6.
Okay, I got 364-255.
So 55255.
364-255.
They put a name.
If they're not here, we're gonna throw them out because it ain't fair, right? Okay, they're not here.
Number 1.
Okay, no 364-255.
Nope.
Going once, going twice. Speed chicken rice. All right. Now let's shake it up. We got 364-221. Anybody 364-221?
7.
Nobody? Okay.
They didn't put a name on it.
They didn't put a name on it. There's no name.
I mean, I guess we draw until we find a name.
No.
What happened to the people that brought the ticket? Did they leave?
I don't know. I think so.
Well, how are we gonna announce them a winner if they left and then put a name? What are you doing? Move, Jimmy.
We got 364-224. Woo! Come on down.
All right.
You gotta write your name and your number information on there.
Yeah. Put it on there. We are not the police. We cannot handle robbery cases.
Don't believe him. You did put his name and number on there?
Yep, name and number.
The marker's right there behind.
And Mr. Aaron Santos. Okay, Mr. Aaron Santos will be contacting you about like which day works for you, and which car you want to get, etc.
Let us know, and we'll be paying for that.
Yeah. All right. This is.
All right, now we're doing the first, second, and third place winners.
Always be
First place is one free night,
First place is one free night at a hotel of your choice,
valued at under $100.
valued at under $100.
Second place,
Second place is, what is that?
two-piece outfit,
Two-piece outfit of your choice,
designed by us.
designed by us, the Blue Store. And the third place is what?
a hat,
A hat of your
sticker.
choice or a sticker, if you're a
And-
woman, jewelry,
and $10 off.
and $10 off any order from the Blue Store.
Yep, that's all three. All three of those.
I hope y'all put y'all names on there. I think a 1 or 2.
We picking 3. You
Okay.
got to get first, second, and third place.
Put it in my hat.
Do the 3rd place first.
Okay, do third place first.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna do third place. Okay. We got Mackenzie Providence.
I think that's the girl in the white Mitsubishi.
No kids.
Huh?
I think that's the girl in the white Mitsubishi.
Okay, are you gonna keep the number in
Did
there?
she put a phone number here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Mackenzie Providence? Okay. So she wins a hat, a sticker, and $10 off. Order $25 or more.
Alright, now we're gonna do second place. We have Jason Rucker.
I guess Jason left too.
Oh, there's no phone number on it, so we might have to pull another one. Jason Rucker. Okay, here. And there ain't no number on here.
There isn't a Jason.
He was number 48. Okay.
I don't think there's a Jason. Did you put it in there?
No, there's no
Oh.
number on here, so we ain't taking that one. Told him put the numbers on it, they ain't put the number.
We asked for a name at least. I mean, we can't call you a winner if we don't know your name.
David Crockett, number 25. Woo, the second place winner. We'll put his phone number.
Yep. We need your phone number and your shirt size and your pants size and your shipping address. Or you can get it for your spouse or your grandkids, whichever one.
On the 110.
Yeah, I mean, this is, he said y'all needed the name and address.
You got another marker?
I put the name in.
Okay, you got a pen?
Yeah, I've done Brody's
Oh, you
name.
already did? Okay, great.
So I didn't know what y'all done, so.
Yeah,
Okay.
for the 10.
Yep. Okay. Yep, Mr. Aaron Santos will be in contact with you to know your date, your time.
Okay, so you'll give that to Eric.
I'll give this to Mr. Aaron.
All right, thanks.
All right, name, address, phone number,
Shirt size, pants size.
medium, and pants is 32, 30.
All right, Mr. Crockett. Thank you. Here, baby.
Okay.
All right, and finally we're about to do the first place winner. Check it up.
You sound like you at the racetrack.
Hear he, hear he.
Don't be throwing sticks over there.
Arlo Cook, first place. Okay. Congratulations.
You win one free night in the hotel under
You got about 4
$100
nights now.
after September 25th.
They got 4 nights. Well, you already put your information on the other one, right? But you can still put your number and all that on this,
Yeah.
so we can contact
All right.
you. Yeah, either, yeah. You want to say thank you for coming out? Put your little.
You go ahead and do it. I'm out of breath.
Okay, well, that was all for all the winners, and I appreciate everybody coming out to supporting us. We didn't think this would happen without you guys. Thank you so much. I hope y'all have a blessed day. And we should have another event coming up soon, but I'm hoping that everybody stays the same when they come to the next event. And one more thing, when you guys go home, because I know we don't have any signal, please, when you go to your YouTube, doesn't matter if you don't watch YouTube, we just need some support. Subscribe to our channel at the Nissan Family, please. That's THA Nissan Family.
And that was it. I will be uploading this when we get done with everything here. All right, YouTube. Y'all are going to get everybody leaving, or if they're staying. It don't end until 8 o'clock, but some people may want to leave early to get their cars on the road. That thing there's tricked the fuck out. Thank you for coming. I appreciate it. And you can, anytime, you can send me any event, it don't matter where it's at. I pull up. It's Mustang. Got Sean Subaru. Guys here, Charger. Oh, yeah, Charger. We got this here, Forester. We got this, what was this thing? A Focus STI. If y'all didn't know, I had already recorded most of these cars earlier, but I wanted to redo it. Most of the people that was here, as y'all can see, is practically empty. We fed everybody and they was like, huh, time to go, which is pretty funny and fun. Actually enjoyed myself. My very first car show. Next one is gonna be way bigger than this one. I do appreciate all of the support, all of the love, all of the honesty, Mr. Sean and Miss Carol and Aaron. If y'all didn't know, Aaron is the only member of the Honest Support the Honest Car Club, and he literally support the Honest. So I got you, Aaron. I said this here on this video. I got you. No worries. Yeah, I had a wonderful time. Wonderful time. Family, fun, friendly. Can't really beat it when people come out and support your events, you know. So yeah, there's that. Hopefully everybody had fun, hopefully everybody enjoyed themselves, and until next year, we may just do this again next year. This may be an annual thing. This may be a every week thing. I mean a every year thing. But I definitely enjoyed myself, and I did want to say shout out to all my subscribers. Thank y'all for watching my videos. D-Pain, thank you for always coming, showing real love, real support. Immortal, thank you for pushing me. Aaron, thank you for pushing me. Thank you for believing in me. And yeah, there's that. And just like that, it's over with. Get y'all some car footage as they're driving by. These clean old schools. He got quad exhaust. I definitely want to do that. I got to do something to this Nissan. Oh, he ain't got power steering in this thing. Thank you. Buggy here. Showed y'all earlier. Thank you to all the veterans out there. Thank y'all for serving, keeping the country safe. Oh, it's a Volkswagen. Oh, excuse me, buddy. Let this thing run for a couple of more minutes. Oh yeah, they do have a trunk. Yeah, they do. Huh, that's cool. I wonder, can I put something like that in that Versa? We'll wait till everybody get in their cars and leave. Get some more exhausts. Get some more sounds. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. It has been a fulfilled day. I got up about 7. Got to Charleston about 10. And been there since. Really didn't have a chance to sit down until about 6. But that's what you do when you generally love people, and when people love you back. That even sounds pretty aggressive. I don't know. I'm either gonna do quad, which is what he got, or I'm gonna do double. Appreciate you. Thank you for everything, bro. When you get home, send me your shirt size and let me know what you want on the shirt. All right, cool. Oh, see that Forester, it has a little exhaust. It's like it's enough, but it's a little exhaust. And look, he got the blinking light. blinking brake light. I can see that on that car. But I told y'all that it was going to happen. I wasn't sure how it was going to happen, but we did make it happen. So thankfully we made it happen. I can't say that enough. Next event is going to be bigger. We're going to have more cars. We're going to have more people. You know, everybody's really going to enjoy themselves. And yeah. I do not own the copyrights to that music. Thank you, Arlo. Ain't really much action in this at the end of this video, y'all. But if y'all stuck around, type the honest support, the honest in the comment box down below. Cool cars, cool people, good vibes, positivity. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat. You name it, I'm there. The Blue Store, the Goddess Clothing, One Man in the Moor, Blue Wash, the Nissan family, Blue and Q, the Honest Game Records, Blue Box Audio Video Outlet, the Goddess Photography. Again, you name it, I do it. What they call me, the hardest working man in fucking show business. Stop the cap, start the support. Stop the cap, start the support. Y'all know I got that merch. Hats, shirts. I'm finna do baby bibs, baby onesies. I got pants. All blessing, no stressing. Podcast. Tap in. Quit playing. Tap in. It's free to show support. It's free to like, share, and comment and subscribe. It's free to join the movement. It's free to support the movement. Again, if you're still here at the end of this video, type the honest, support the honest down below. Shout out to Aaron. Again, bro, without you couldn't be possible. Shout out to Sean. Again, bro, without you couldn't be possible. Shout out to Miss Carol. Again, without you couldn't be possible. Shout out to Ebony. Baby, couldn't be possible. Thank you, Melissa, for coming. Thank everybody for coming, showing up, showing out. To the guy that drove the red Mustang 300 miles. Hey, shout out to you. I definitely gotta get your information. Definitely gotta get your information. Y'all ever got the fan in the car? You can put the CDs in the backpack. Yeah, put the CDs in the backpack. Ooh, that thing barking. Let me get behind the car. Hold on. Hold on. Let me get behind the car. Hold on. Hold on. We might got some action. I like the way that sounds. I like the way that sounds. No problem. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Woo. I get me an old school. I got to get an old school. Got to. I got to. That just sounds like, grrr, yeah, that's the right tag. Hold on, let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah, that just sounds like grrr, grrr. Ooh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That sounds good. That sounds hella good. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Again, if you're still here, this is my third time saying it because I'm supposed to been hung it up. If you're still here, the honest support the honest. Type that in the comment box. Matter of fact, if you don't want to do that, just share it. Just share the video. Just like the video and share the video. That's it. Like it and share it. That's it. If you're still here. And just like that, so make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, join the movement, support the movement, stop the cap, start the support. I can't say it no more. I can't say it no more. I can't say it no more. Stop the cap, start the support. Put your order in. Buy you something. Buy you something. I sell everything. Literally everything. Hit the damn subscribe button. It's free. Click the notification bell to make sure that you are aware of all of this lit ass content that I'm bringing to you. All of it. Oh, and I still am the hardest working man in fucking show business.